Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are still in Darwin dito sa Northern Territory dito sa Australia. So guys, we are heading to another attraction with si Kuya, si Jax, si Ate, and I guys. So guys, are you ready for some fun attraction for today? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
So guys, we've landed here at Termite Mounds. So we are going to see some.
I don't like tunnels.
So I think it really is there's a car park here. I don't think you have to walk very far. I think it's just like a walking path which goes down around a couple of them. It's just like examples, but I think the entire area is covered in like big nunnels. So there is caravan camping, caravan parking coming up.
There's a house.
Ooh.
I told you there's a house.
So yeah, there's a lot of nunnels in the park, but I mean the ones here, I don't think they're the biggest ones you'll find. But I think there's information about them and how they're built and who builds them and stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't like tunnels.
Oh, now we need to turn here. Oh, yes, park across. What's this knobhead in the caravan parking?
There, oh, that one on the side of the car.
Yeah.
That one, it's long. Okay.
That's right, I can see behind it. It tells me where the rear reverse line is. I think that's good enough. Yep, I'm on the line. So guys, here's some nunnels. I don't know if that's the word. So this one here is estimated to be 50 years old. So you can see how tall it is. I mean, it's probably like probably 4 to 5 meters tall for the nunnel here. I know there's a walking track there. Oh, there's more nunnels there. So you can see how tall it is here. It looks like for someone's home too. It looks like it's still active because I can see a lot of ants or something on the ground. I mean, it's made by termites, but I don't know if the ones on the ground are termites or if maybe ants have taken over. Still looks like it's still active too. Like there's a bunch of ants on the ground, but I don't know if they're the termites or if the termites have like it's been taken over by someone else. No, it probably is. I mean, they're the termites there. But it shows all the birds and that must eat, like break into it and try to eat them. I don't know if the whole thing is covered in termites or if it's just the bottom parts. I mean, it still looks like it's growing on that side as well. Yeah, you can see them all there out there. Like all the termites going in and out just off that part there. Yeah. There's many ants. I don't know if they're just, like I said, one's going in or if it's been taken over by an ant nest. You can see them all go on the side here. Like you can see them actually go inside those holes. Like you can't probably see on the camera there because I'm not zoomed in, but you can see there's like a lot of entry holes even down there too. There's entry holes. I don't know why it makes this. Oh yeah, it's wheelchair friendly, but it makes you go around the whole thing.
There's another station there.
I think that's information over there about the actual termite, but I think there's some more nunnels here. I can take you. You can get on my shoulders like the picture. You stand on my shoulders and you still be shorter than the nunnel. So there's some flowers here. In Dynamo calls these Joshua trees. It actually looks like there's a fruit growing on it.
Yeah, rambutan.
Oh, I think this one's just circular, you just walk around it. This one's got like a tree growing up the top of it too. I don't know if this one's active. I can't see as many termites kind of on the ground in front of it. Yeah, the other one was still active. There's a lot of ants going, ants or termites going into the last one, but this one here. You can see them there. I reckon that last one, I reckon the ants have taken over it, because if you look over here, there's termites, but they're like a lot smaller. So I reckon maybe the other one's been taken over by a different type of ant. So guys, there is toilets over there as well.
Follow the test.
Ah, it might just be a small like one-way walk. So this is pretty much like the first sort of like attractions or thing you come across as you enter the national park. There was an information sign like when you first enter, but this is kind of like the first thing you reach in terms of actually getting out of your car and having a look. There we go, so here's all the information on the termites, or the termite mounds. So you get the masked lapwing, the double barred finch, you get the sand goanna, and they probably come and eat the rice. It goes north to south. Hang on. Yeah, it does look like a cemetery or a city. I think it does a loop. Sup, emu? Yeah, they're all burnt on top. They may have fallen over or something.
Cemetery of the News. There's a news far away.
Yeah, it's like Nuno's all the way in the distance there. Yeah, these ones, they're all like charred on top.
Yeah,
So
maybe the birds stand there and from a distance.
Yeah, I mean they probably do get damaged by birds in the goannas, but birds probably more so because they probably like peck the top. Actually, these ones got a lot of ants in it as well.
From a distance. Hello, Nunus.
Yeah, you can see them all going
Starting
into, like
to
all
build.
those sort of holes on the top there, and then they probably then build out from there.
From a distance.
So yeah, you can see all the termites that go in there, and then they probably help eat all the dead wood and stuff on the ground. So there's more noodles there, there's more noodles to the south. Oh, my dummy noodle. Oh, what the hell? We went from having no one, and now there's like two motorhomes, a van life, all in a row. That's like all the caravans arrived at one time. Okay guys, we're going to jump back in the car and then we'll head off. I think there was emus in here last time, in this area here.
That one's a lot sadder now, is when you got the dad running around with a little baby.
Oh, yeah.
Cute, tiny little things running around.
Oh, it looks like it's been charred recently, I think.
Pardon?
It's been burnt recently.
Yeah.
Welcome to Magnetic Termite Mounds, one of the most striking sights in Litchfield National Park. In the vast field of magnetic termite mounds spread out over the floodplains, these mounds stand in rows, creating an almost surreal organized landscape. Visitors can walk along broad walks that lead to viewing platforms, offering an up-close look at the mounds and providing excellent photography opportunities. The magnetic termite mounds located in Litchfield National Park in the Northern Territory of Australia are an intriguing natural phenomenon. These termite mounds are built by magnetic termites and are unique of their thin, flat structure and precise north-south orientation. The mounds are a fascinating sight for visitors and provide a glimpse into the incredible survival adaptation of these small but highly organized insects.
Yeah, I think it was charred when we were here, so it must be somewhat recent.
how it came a little fire, smolder fires. I haven't even burnt most of the
The best time to visit the termite mounds is the dry season, which is May to October. This is an ideal time to visit Litchfield National Park, including the magnetic termite mounds. The weather is cooler, the skies are clear, and all the roads and trails are generally accessible. The mounds are often described as a tombstone-like due to their thin plate-like appearance and upright structure. Some of the mounds can reach height of over 3 meters or 10 feet, and they are typically quite narrow, giving this distinctive silhouette. The mound's towering flat design makes them stand out in the landscape, especially when viewed in large clusters. You can see now the cathedral termite mounds, which are much larger and more irregular in shape. These mounds can reach heights of up to 5 meters or 16 feet and are built by different species of termite. The cathedral mounds are massive and look like towering sculpted spires, offering a fascinating contrast to the magnetic mounds. Seeing both types of termite mounds in the same area is a unique and educational experience. Termites are incredibly efficient builders, using mud, saliva, and digested plant material to construct their homes. Inside the mounds, complex tunnel system and chambers allow the termites to move around, maintain their colony, and regulate the temperature. The intricate architecture demonstrates the termites' remarkably ability to adapt to their environment and thrive in challenging conditions. We are now heading to another termite mounds on the side of the cathedral termite mounds. Throughout the year, there are informational signs that explain the significance of the termite mounds, the biology of the termites, and how their building techniques are fine-tuned to the environment. This makes it an enriching experience for visitors who want to understand more about the ecological and biological importance of termites in Australia.
From outside, it looks like a lot more solid, but you can just see it's just a random mix of tubes.
Feels like concrete, mate.
Oh, you can see there's entry points down there.
The magnetic termite mounds are a fascinating testament to the ingenuity of nature, showcasing how even the smallest creatures can adapt to their environment in an extraordinary way. Visitors to Litchfield National Park will be captivated with the eerie beauty of these natural structures and ecological story they tell.
So, that's it guys! So, that's our magnetic termite mounds dito sa Northern Territory located at the Litchfield National Park. So, if you haven't yet checked our Darwin, Litchfield in our previous vlog guys, I hope you would watch it before you jump on this video. So, nakita nyo naman guys, yung ating 1G Falls or 1G Falls with si Kuya, Jack's brother, si Ate, the wife, Jax and I, doon sa, nag-swim tayo doon sa may 1G Waterfalls, yung dual waterfalls guys na nakita nyo sa ating previous vlog. So, anyway, after that, we just passed by at the magnetic termite mounds or in Filipino, we call it nuno. But dito sa Australia guys, located at the Northern Territory, dito sa Darwin guys, which is located at the Litchfield National Park, makita nyo, there's a huge, gigantic, enormous termite mounds. Yes, termite po yung mga nabibuild doon for the ecosystem place dito sa Northern Territory. And if you have heard our information about the magnetic termite mounds, ang dami po nila dito guys. So, one to sama makikita mo sila para silang parade ng termite doon sa dito sa Litchfield National Park, guys, na nakita nyo kanina sa ating video. So, guys, there's a walkway also. Makikita nyo yung mga families of termites doon. And there's a cathedral gigantic termite mounds dito sa other side area na nakita nyo earlier. So, malaki siya, guys. Sobrang laki niya at sobrang taas sa akin. So, guys, 1.8 lang ako no termite mounds na nakita nyo kanina. And yes, dahil sa aking voice, guys. So, yes, meron akong runny nose. I got a congestion at the moment. So, hindi nyo mapapansin yung aking voice. And yes, guys. So, guys, ayun na nga ang ating termite magnetic modes dito sa Litchfield National Park located at Northern Territory, guys. Dito sa Darwin, sa Australia. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Chala.